To access our CIRA report, you need to log into our partner portal. If you are unsure how to do so, please watch the partner portal tutorial video before continuing this one. Once you are on our CIRA report tab, go ahead and fill out the information as prompted. You will be asked to enter your email, company name, and company website. Depending on what you select, you will be prompted to fill out more information until you have reached the bottom of the page. Once you are done, click Submit Form and we will generate a report for you to better understand what vulnerabilities your customer has and how to add to their security. You will receive a PDF in your email inbox with our CIRA report. With our CIRA report, you can now offer a much more accurate range of quote prices to your customers.